And now we're trying to do this in order. We're going on a razor ride. You ready, Kenya? That's scary. Oh my gosh. He harped on me yesterday because I didn't butter every single corner of the garlic bread. So he has with great care buttered every single section of the bread.
Look at that. Every corner.
You are watching Juliejboye Family Juice. Hallelujah!
Did the deer die? I don't know. Probably.
That was a motorcycle, Mom. This is the breakfast process. Crepes and waffles. I'm just trying to pounding it over here. All right. We are here at, like I said, the Bear River Lodge cabins, and we are about to take a big family picture. Okay, take it out. We got our matching t-shirts. India was number, let me see, 29 in the family. India, what number am I?
Number
7. All right. It's going to be quite the day. This awesome teepee. And we are just taking some family pictures up here. Unfortunately, I have to go wake up Nico from his nap. It's the worst. But, you know, they're already disasters. Look at this awesome view of this little, like, river. Yeah, gee, so cute! You guys are so cute!
Oh my gosh. Like an alien.
I'm just laughing at Dallin and Bo, these 17-year-old boys trying to manhandle babies. So Dallin, hold his bum up.
They look like the portion part of Fortnite.
You can see his face.
There you go.
They look like Fortnite.
Stand up, Mace. Stand up.
Hands down, Ari.
Hands down, Ari. He's like doing Fiddler on the Roof here. Smile. Nico. Nico.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Treyu, stand up, man. Treyu, smile.
Kenya. Ready? Okay.
Now we're trying to do this in order. Okay, we're going on a razor ride. You ready, Kenya? Woohoo! It's the ladies' turn. Scary!
Sure is.
Oh my gosh!
Look how pretty that is.
Oh, that bright green out there. So Dad is on the grilled cheese duty. He harped on me yesterday because I didn't butter every single nick and cranny and corner and crumb of the garlic bread. So he has with great care buttered every single section of the bread. I'm gonna make sure when I taste that every piece is crispity crunchy.
Look at that. Every corner.
Oh my god. OCD, now I know where I get it.
There is no CD.
I have no idea where my older 3 kids are. I got 2 kiddos napping, and the rest I'm just coming down to search for. I'm a little nervous with them by the river without life jackets. I don't know where my little boys are. Crap. There's Xander doing his fishing. Trey, you trying to catch a fish. Emily, scoot to your left a little bit. Yes, it released. Oh. Yeah! Oh, uh-oh. Down. Did you do it? Yes! Ari, go see Nate. He's got a fish. Run. He's over there. Go, Treyu. Oh, he's going to go around too. They lose him?
Okay, we just had a great experience, didn't we, Josie? We are here right now, and so there's a big giant river behind this pond right here. Oh, and it's so like strong. Oh, we're gonna go on the razor right now. It's really, is there enough room on here? Okay, we're on the razor. Anyways, Josie, what happened?
How about you tell the story? You'll be better
There was like a little waterfall, and we decided to go on it because we're smart, aren't we? We decided to cross it because we're smart children, aren't we? And so it was kind of a mini waterfall thing, and I just need to like replay that. Yeah, Ivy fell first on it, and she just like helped me, and Josie thought, oh, that's not bad, that's what's gonna happen. She just kind of glided through, and then Josie, on the other hand, went through. She just went down the waterfall. So I was like, that looked really fun. So I kind of sacrificed myself.
She jumped in for me.
And saved her. And then I started going down the river. As you can see, now we're so wet. And yeah, it was a good but terrible experience.
And then the last cross, I lost my flip-flop.
She lost her flip-flop. Let me show you the terribleness of that.
No!
She's got one flip-flop. Oh, I am so cold right now. It's freezing. Anyways,
You should stay where
whoa.
we're riding.
But I can't believe I didn't lose these. Because they probably, like, I can't believe it. But anyways, we're just going on the razor. And yeah.
Looking there. Nasty fish. Okay, so we're here at their awesome little store, and I said they could have one treat. India, what's your choice?
Ice cream cone.
Not a bad
My
choice.
choice is Skittles.
You want Skittles?
Skittles.
You want an orange cream sucker cake? Grab one. Grab one. Okay, Kenya, what do you want? Do you want a sucker or do you want an ice cream cone? Sucker. Yeah. It's great when it's self-serve. All right, so we've done razor runs, the little store ice cream run. They're back at the pool. I'm just going to get the swimming suits. They've got to hurry and get to the pool because look at that beauty coming right in. I am just like, my heart is aching for Davis County. I know a lot of you disagree with this, but we all lie on one side of the fence, right? Davis County just went from 5-day in-person schooling, and they dropped down to 2-day in-person and 3-day remote. And that sounds horrible. So I'm like, please, Kenyans, please hold strong. Oh, I'm praying. Another razor ride. So hopefully, because we have 3 options. All day school or in-person school, all online, or homeschooling, district supported. Like, come on. Want to try it again? Yeah!
He is a little sumo wrestler.
I know. Yeah. It's dinner time. We have kind of the same meal that we had in Lake Powell, which is that pot roast. Is that what it is? Because it's so easy. It just cooked all day. Gravy. The pot roast. Salad. And a plethora of different dressings. Xander is a salad lover. Why do you love salad so much?
I don't know. It has vegetables.
Yeah, tell him what happened today with the fish.
I caught 2 in a row. So I caught the first fish, and I was like, I got a fish, and then I said I let it go, and then right when I let it go, I got another one.
And it was slipping out of his hands like crazy, wasn't it? What is it? Take a bite. I got my caramel square. Right there. I do plan to get these up on the boyefamilyjewels.com under the recipes tab.